Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Forbes Park, here in Hespeler, Ontario. Yes, bitch. Today, we're here in Hespeler doing Hespeler things. What are Hespeler things, you may be asking? And the honest truth is, I have no goddamn idea. So, yeah, bitch. But I wanted to film a video today because videos. Yep, that's the whole reason. Videos. That's it. No more questions, please and thank you. But yeah. Whew. I literally have no idea what we're doing, but we will do something and we will make it extremely entertaining. But yeah. Bitch, why are we going this way? Downtown is this way. God damn it, Andrew. You moron. You gotta love it when your brain doesn't work properly. It is very annoying. But yeah. I still can't believe I haven't done a video in Hespeler, and I literally live here. That is kind of crazy. But today we will correct that mistake while freezing my hands off because it is cold as fuck. It's -5, but feels like -14. So, whew, that ain't fun. That ain't fun whatsoever. I'm honestly getting sick and tired of this winter hellscape, but I don't know. What can you really do about it? Nothing really. That's the whole thing. That is literally the whole thing. Forbes Park. Beautiful. Where are we even going? I don't know. I'm just bored. I am literally just fucking bored. But yeah, here is Queen Street, guys. Pretty nice downtown core, if I would say so myself. It's not like Galt by any means, but still. I like it down here. Despite being part of Cambridge, Hespeler feels like its own little world. Which I absolutely love. Bitch. What the fuck? Okay. I don't even know what to say about that. Ice cream. Fun little fact about Hespeler. Every Monday, everything just closes. Like, literally nothing in this godforsaken town is open on Monday. And as you may have guessed, today is Monday, so I don't even know. Why do they literally close everything on Mondays? It is so weird. I've never understood that. Oh God, the wind. I am so sorry, guys. The audio must sound like trash. Like fuck. You know what? Let's go back down this way, because I want to somewhat make this video salvageable. Graffiti alley. Like, that's fucking cool. And a random stump. Wonderful. No dumping. That has the original City of Cambridge logo there, which is awesome. But yeah. But yeah. Sorry guys, camera died. But yeah. Hespeler convenience. Village Vape Co. You gotta be fucking kidding me. Seriously, people, stop vaping. it doesn't make you look cool. It makes you look like a total douche. Pokemon. Gotta catch them all, bitch. Gotta catch them all. Speaking of Pokemon, I am like super excited right now because Nintendo just announced a few days ago that they're bringing Fire Red and Leaf Green to the Switch, which is freaking amazing. Like, holy crap. That is awesome. Like being able to play the Kanto remakes on the Switch. Ooh, goddamn. I am really happy about that though, because I don't know if you know this, but the fucking GBA Pokemon games are like notoriously expensive. That's my Sapphire version there. Like any of the Gen 3 GBA games are going for between $90 to like $120 on eBay. Just the cartridge alone. If you want in box, ooh. You are either going to need to remortgage your house or maybe sell some of your organs on the black market. I don't know which one you're gonna do, but yeah. Or just buy it on the Switch. It's only 30 bucks in Canada, which is pretty reasonable. Like, goddamn. Goddamn. Like, being able to play that game on my Switch OLED is going to be awesome. Because I'm just saying, this bad bitch was kind of annoying. Why the hell am I carrying around a GBA SP and a copy of Pokemon Sapphire? I don't even know. Okay? I don't even know. But yeah. Playing it on this bad bitch though, woo! And why the fuck am I carrying around a Switch OLED with me? Like, come on, Andrew. You are crazy, my friend. You are crazy. Like, bitch. The snow has been blowing around uncontrollably, so I'm gonna check the lens real quick to make sure everything looks crispy, and we will continue from there. So yeah, piss off. Okay guys, everything does indeed look crispy, so that's good. I was gonna walk down by the river, but it is very windy down there, so I don't think it's really worth it. Maybe we can try to get a quick look from this vantage point. Yep, way too fucking windy. To be honest though, is it really that crazy that I'm walking around with fucking Pokemon Sapphire? I am literally the crazy son of a bitch that walks around with a voodoo doll, so yeah, this is probably not one of the weirdest things I've had on my person. Walking around with a 20-plus-year-old gaming handheld though, yeah, kind of weird. But this bad bitch was my childhood. It is so cool. Like, it is so cool. Whew. God damn, I almost slipped. Oh yeah. Whew. What now? I don't even know. Okay, folks, we're down here now because, bitch, the wind was blowing directly into my face. So, yeah. Is it really that hard to have one decent day? Just overcast. No wind, no rain, no snow. No other weather phenomena, just fucking overcast. I-Express 203 or 203 I-Express. I kind of said that backwards. But yeah. Woo! There's the fucking wind again. Yeah, we are not gonna win this, guys. We are not gonna win this. Mother Nature is being very unreasonable today, so I don't fucking know anymore. So yeah. Maybe it might just be a good time to end this bad bitch off. There's no reason for this video to be over an hour anyways. Bitch, it was never going to make it to an hour, but I don't know. That's fucking awesome. That's fucking awesome. Ernie's Roadhouse. Very expensive, but yeah. Woo! So, what now? What now? Is it snowing now, or am I just literally losing my mind? Probably just blowing snow. I swear to God, if it starts snowing though, I am gonna legit lose my mind. Ugh. Of course these motherfuckers get the green advance signal. Of course. So, yeah. I'm getting sick and tired of fighting with Mother Nature, so yeah, bitch. I guess if you like what you saw, please consider joining the Empire by liking and subscribing. If you absolutely fucking hated it, there's a button down there for you too. And my friends, like always, live life to the absolute fullest. And goodbye, you glorious motherfuckers.